Alright, hello, welcome back to another video. What we have here is a 1969 220 Foxtrot. And one of the ways to tell us from the F's and the H's and the K's is the cleaning lever is in the front where the other ones is in the back. But there's nothing wrong with it other than maybe a slight cleaning. I definitely need a globe and mantles, as you can see here. But outside of that, it's all, and maybe a paint job. Outside of that, that's pretty much all you need. I'm just going to go ahead and pump it up a little bit and turn it to the lighting position. So it's off, so you're going to turn it from 12 to 9, and you should hear air, a hissing sound, and then you should hear some gargling sound. It sounds like gargling. That's what you want to hear before you light it, is the gargling. Right there. But as you can see, I mean, it lights. There's nothing wrong with it lighting or anything. Anyway, go ahead and release the air. And we're going to tear them apart here. Very simple. 3 little wrenches takes care of the tear down process. And that would be the 3/8, the 9/16, and a 1/2 inch. So, and I'll do a close-up here from when we get to it here, how to take it apart. So we're going to take the 1/2 inch. Well, first, let me go ahead and take the vent off of it. Now, this vent has been used for fishing, or this lantern has been used for fishing, and the previous owner, as you can see, riveted put a backing on it so as it would direct the light forward and not blind you sitting on the riverbank or on the boat. But anyway, go ahead and come on. That's one of the reasons I like these little stubby wrenches, is you can get into tight spaces with. Okay. Now here, where a generator is, let me get my head out of the way. You see there's a little stem with a hook on it. It's connected to the cleaning. Here, what you want to do is bring it up and then it comes out. And what I'm talking about here, go ahead and take this off. We'll throw it in the vinegar over there. See this little hook? This little hook here. Well, right here, there's a little section. It just goes up and down. It's got a hole in it. That hook goes in that hole, which in turn, it's just like the stove generator. You got the little needle, and you got a little fine point at the end. That just cleans everything out. So we can throw him in the solution as well. The vinegar. And then you have your spring. It's like cardboard packing or whatever. It's not dirty. Not too bad anyway. Obviously you don't want to throw it away or throw it in there, because that's your, it's like a cardboard like material. Okay. All right. After you get your generator and stuff off, here at your cleaning tube knob, what you want to do is loosen the outer nut closest to you. That's what's got the graphite and all that in it. So when you loosen it, now you have to remove the inner nut, the one that's closest to the generator tube, to take it off. It's a little tighter. Get rid of that. Put my finger over this. I'll just go ahead and get rid of that mantle. Shouldn't touch them once they're lit and burnt and all that, but well. All right. So now you just take everything apart. Looks like my battery's about ready to die on my GoPro there. You spin this all out. Okay. And then what you'll see here is just, see that little arm wiggling back and forth? Okay. And then you take the 9/16 wrench and take this center nut out. Where this should go to. And then take a big crescent wrench. Anyway, take the crescent wrench, put in here. You can see here. Slide up in here or put in the back, and then turn it. So that's what we're going to do. Let's go ahead and put him in the back here. So you can see how wobbly it is. And attempt to take this off. Now I'm going to the front. Hold the fount and everything up against your body, or if you had this, if you can make yourself a fount holder, which is, you know, 2 pieces of plywood cut and that squeezes up against it to hold it in place. But we want to try to do it this way. I may have to remove the remove the off-camera shot here and try to take him, just turn him counterclockwise. I can do it. There we go. keep wiggling them around here. And there we go. Okay. All right, now she's out, she's out. You don't want to take sandpaper or whatever to the frame because it's all that gunk in there. Woo. That's where I've had it in the building for all them years. Because I had this one and, well, no, I didn't have this one. I got this one in 2018 when I moved here in this house. But my other one was stored with my 65. So what we're going to do here is take the knob off. I should have done that first, but I didn't. So let me get my handy dandy little screwdriver, and I purposely bent this screwdriver, and the reason being is for like when stuff's on it, you know, it's straight across and it's just hard. But if you bend it, I bent it so it gave me just a little bit more leeway in the working on them here. So we're just going to hold the knob, put your thumb there and just slide it in level. Be careful with the screw because it is very easily lost. Place it. I'll place it right here. Okay. I'm gonna just take the knob off. Now you just lift it up, pull it out, and look at all the gunk here. All this gunk. And to break it down even further, you can just take this here apart, screw it on, and then there you have it. That's how you tear down a 220F 69 model